Where are you, okra soup lovers? Come, come, let me show you how I prepared this wonderful okra soup. This test, oh my goodness, this wonderful, yummy-licious okra soup. I will be showing you in this video step by step how to prepare okra soup recipe at home. Cool down. If you don't know how to prepare okra soup recipe, I got your back. Sweetie, keep watching. If you married newly and your husband need this delicious okra soup, or you need it for yourself, come, I'm going to show you how you're going to prepare it for your family, and they're going to like you for this. Okay, so we're going to start by preparing our recipes, what your ingredients, what we're going to use. Here I'm going to use catfish and also mackerel. All of you know that I love mackerel so much. I'm going to use also the onions. I'm using white onions on this recipe. Okra, you can use red onions, you can use spring onions, any onions of your choice, because I'm going to use these onions to steam my fish and other ingredients, guys. Here I have okra, blended okra, cut okra, I have spinach, I have meat and other things. I'm going to list all the ingredients in the description below. Don't forget to check it out. And here, first of all, I will go with my water I used to cook my stockfish, because I love stockfish. Yeah, you can see I added my stockfish and my dry fish. Now I will go ahead to add these chopped onions I chopped, and I will go ahead to add the fish. Now I'm going to parboil all the ingredients like meat, fish, stock fish. I've already cooked it with a pressure pot. If you have pressure pot, use it to cook it, to save your energy, to save your light. Okay, so after cook, I will cook it for 10 to 15 minutes because I've already cooked my stockfish before. So we go ahead to get our pepper. So okra soup need fresh pepper, but if you don't have fresh pepper, don't bother yourself. You can use dry pepper. Okay, I'm going to use this Temo blender, this mini blender. Temo, thank you for this wonderful gift. I got this from Temo, and this small blender, mini blender, is doing justice for all these small things like this. So I will use it to blend my fresh pepper. After blending it, I'm going to add it in this our parboiling fish and everything. I will go ahead now to add it. This will give it a wonderful and yummy-licious flavor and also taste, guys. So don't worry, just cook it for 20 to 15 minutes. I will go ahead to prepare my spinach. I don't like using too much spinach while cooking okra soup, so I go ahead to chop the one packet of spinach I got from market. I cut them and set aside and allow the fish, everything to cook very well. While cutting it, I'll be also keeping eye on my ingredients, my soup ingredients. So if today is your first day seeing my video, thank you so much for joining. Don't forget to give me a like, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed to this channel. And this is Chikwado Space, the channel where I teach you how to cook and also how you can make your family happy. So if you want to be happy, just continue watching my videos. I have a lot of videos on my channel. Check our old videos. I cook numerous soups, African soups. I cook Italian recipes, Dutch recipes. Just cool down, you can get to everything you want on my channel. I will also do product review and lifestyle, and our travel blogs are there. Check them out. You are going to thank me. You are going to enjoy yourself. So keep watching. Now we go ahead to add the mackerel. First of all, I parboiled the catfish because catfish take a little bit time before it is done. So I added it first. After it cooks finish, I removed it and added my mackerel. This mackerel will not take time. Yes, so I begin to cook it again for 5 to 10 minutes. So while cooking it, the soup will be getting sweet. You know, this is very important. While cooking your soup, make sure you cook the ingredients like fish, dry fish, every stock fish. Cook them so that the water will this water will come out. You're going to use it to cook your soup. So now I add my red oil. What is the African soup without red oil? But you can skip it if you don't like it. Okay, I added my red oil. Then I will go ahead to add the stock and water. The water I used to cook my stock fish, I added it. Now I have to shake. Don't add too much water because this is okra soup, guys. If you add too much water, you have to check the kind of how quantity okra you have, guys. I don't want to talk too much now. I added my crayfish and also added my seasonings. I added one magggi cube. I added a little much crayfish because this crayfish is going to give your okra soup a wonderful taste. Okay, now I go ahead now to add my okra. This okra, if you like, you can blend some, but I don't want to blend it. I just want to add it this way. Just go ahead to turn it very properly. After turning it, see, I added a little bit of salt so that this will cook together with the okra. Turn it very well. Cover it to steam for 2 to 5 minutes. The okra is getting ready. Just don't add the spinach first. Add the okra first of all. Turn it very well and steam it for 3 to 5 minutes before you can add your spinach. Immediately you add your spinach, your okra is done. Let me know what you like about this okra, this delicious okra. Remember, I removed all the fish because I don't want my fish to spoil. I don't want it to get spoiled in the soup. I removed them. Now I added the spinach. If you have ugu, you can add ugu. Ugu is pumpkin leaf. You can add pumpkin leaf. If you have spinach, you add. If you are cooking with any vegetable, now you can add it. So stir it very well. Then you add your fresh fish, like I'm going to add the catfish and the mackerel fish. You can see now. I will stir it very well, cover it, and this is so yummy. Oh my god, my house is scenting like. Bring your greens, bring your gari, bring your fufu, bring any swallow. Let me know in the comment section the swallow that you will prepare to eat this okra soup. Let me know. I'm going for plantain fufu, and that is what I use. This is what I use to swallow this, and this is so yummy, guys. Trust me, look at this soup now. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you think about this soup. Let me know if you like it. Now I have to test for salt. when there is no salt, add salt, but make sure please before you add more salt, test it before you add, so that you're not going to give your soup too much salt. Okay, thank you for watching. Let me allow you to watch to the end. Bye for now. See you next time in my next video. Love you. Bye.